Hello, welcome back to our channel. My name is Paula and I have received my Glitz Glam bag, and it usually doesn't look this rough. I think the mail got a little bit hard on the packaging. If you want to see what's in my Glitz Glam bag, then keep watching. If you haven't already, or you're new to our channel, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and if you like things about makeup subscription unboxes, or just learning things from a total newbie, then give me a big thumbs up. When I am talking about a total newbie, I just did a video on putting on false eyelashes. I don't think I did too bad of a job, but I know that could definitely be better. I'll put a link to it right here so you can laugh along with me, but I'll keep practicing. Today we're going to be opening the Glitz Glam bag. So let me get my scissors, cut into it. I always like that it's always packaged so well with tissue paper. It's got tissue paper at the top and the bottom, and then wrapped around it, and it always has a sticker. There we go, Glitz Glam Box. We don't do basic. Like that. And then we have a card telling us everything that's in here. So here's the card. It says, need more glam? Head to GLITZGLAM.box to secure the glam. And the theme of this one is Miss Glitz Glam. And so we're going to see what all is included in our Glitz Glam box. Every Glitz Glam box comes with, what else? False eyelashes. I've given some of them away, but since I'm starting to try to put them on myself and practice, I'll be keeping these. And these Glitz Glam Box lashes are Never Basic Lashes. Never Basic Lashes are $12. And I forgot to tell you that the Glitz Glam bag is a $15 bag. So $12 worth of lashes almost pays for my bag, and so that's a great deal. The next thing is glitter, and they always send some type of a glitter with it, and this one is called World Peace. And if you can see in there, it has some kind of a greenish glitter, greenish blue glitter, and it's in like a little diamond. And isn't this the perfect time to be getting one that says World Peace? And I think the glitter is $5. Yes, the glitter is $5. 3D diamond glitter. World Peace. Okay, that was number 2. The next one is Hikari matte lip gloss. Oh, sorry, matte lip gloss. And it says Rouge. So I'm wondering if that's the color. It's not going to focus. Sorry about that. Don't know what to do about that. So let me open this. There we go. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that a pretty color? Okay, let's swatch it. See what the little, there we go. Ooh, I like it. It is one of my colors. That color, that's kind of like a burgundy color. Very pretty. I like that. Okay, I'll definitely be using that. So there's 3 items, and you get 4. And this one I'm really excited about. Be a Queen 16 color eyeshadow. Look right there at the bottom, it says Be a Bombshell. So let's see what colors we have. I'm excited about this. I can't get it out. There we go. And it's the same. Be a queen. It does not have a mirror, but that's okay. There's the colors. Those are some really good colors. I like the greens in there, blues, and these peaches. Some of them are silvery, and some of them are shimmers, and some of them are mattes. Okay, so great palette of colors. 16 shades of this eyeshadow palette is $28. 28. So let me see if I can do some swatches, because you know I'm not very good at these swatches yet. Gotta do some and then show you. This one on the top, it doesn't have much color. I'll go back and add some to it. But no, it doesn't have much color, but that would be okay. You can't even see it. It's right above that blue right there. But that would be okay, because you can use that to set your eye primer. But those are some really good colors. Okay, that was the top 4. Let's do the next ones. I like these shimmers. Ooh, that blue shimmer's pretty. See, I just go all around my arm, right there. Oh, there went some trash. Right there's the next ones. They kind of look pretty similar on the camera, but they're definitely not. Let's see if I can swatch that green a little. Because this one right here is a green, and it's looking just like that gray on top of it. Well, that's not good. But like I say, on camera it's showing one color, but it's really not like that on the palette. And as I've been learning more and more about makeup, I have been finding out that swatches don't mean anything. You can swatch something and it look beautiful, and then try it on your eye and it doesn't look good at all. Or you can swatch something that doesn't look good at all and try it on your eye and it looks beautiful. Here's the next 4. I really like this one. I like the orange one too. They're all pretty. Okay, let's look at the last 4. This is kind of a light pink, so I'm going to put extra on it to kind of build it up some. These colors would go really good. Some of them with that lip gloss. Even these greens and teal would go with the glitter, the eye glitter. I just have not ever done eye glitter. I don't know. Maybe I should try it sometime. Okay, and there's the last 4. I think maybe these last 4 are some of my favorites. That and that burgundy color would make a really pretty palette with that, and then go with that lipstick. That would be beautiful, wouldn't it? Okay, I'm going to add it up. $28 for the Be a Queen eyeshadow palette, $15 for the matte liquid lipstick. Sorry, I think I said lip gloss a while ago, but it's a lipstick. $12 for the Never Basic lashes, and then $5 for the glitter. So $60 worth of product, and I paid $15. What do you think? That was a great deal, and I really liked all of these things, these items that we received today. Do you get the Glitz Glam Box? Do you want to try it? It's $15, and you can always cancel it if you don't like it. I'll put a link down below if you want to check it out. I am not affiliated with them. I pay for my own box. They do not send me anything, so I do not get any kind of kickback for it. But I've loved the boxes that I've received from them, and I think you will too. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Glitz Glam Box. And remember, be the beauty you are meant to be. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.